On my channel, I have provided tutorials on various things such as creating AI-related animation videos, making cartoons, crafting 3D Disney cartoons, and even producing movie trailers, which many have enjoyed. Now, I believe it's time for something different. In this video, I will teach you how to create an AI music video, enabling you to produce your own music video without the need of singer or actors. Using AI technology, you can compose your own music and create captivating visuals, paving the way for launching your own music company or channel. With this approach, you can generate substantial earnings as music video and channels tend to highly profitable ventures. So let's begin by ensuring that we end up with a fantastic music video. To achieve this, you will need to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. The first step in creating our music video is to write our music. Instead of relying on traditional songwriter, we will leverage ChatGPT to compose our song. There's no need for external writer. We will simply provide a prompt to ChatGPT. I want to make a music video, so please write a song. So ChatGPT would ask you which mood or theme you would like the song to have. If you don't have any specific theme in mind, you can fetch a list of themes and modes from ChatGPT. Alternatively, if you do have theme in mind, you can choose. If you are unsure, you can ask ChatGPT to provide a list of music related themes and modes. So ChatGPT has written a song according to the provided mood and theme. So in the next step, we don't require a human singer to get a song ready. We will visit Songr website where we will have various options like pop, piano, country, children's music and more. I have chosen piano pop option, and here I will write down our lyrics because we will copy them from ChatGPT and paste them here. Then I will select my desired singer from the three options provided. Once chosen, I will simply copy the lyrics from here and paste them in designated box. And we will have three options to proceed further. If we opt for a female singer, we will select the female voice option. If we prefer a male singer, we will choose the male voice option. After making the selection, we will click the generate option and our song will start generating. Within a few seconds, our song will be ready. Once generated, we download it from here. The next step is to gather our images for our video. We will animate these images to create our music video. Additionally, we will need female and male in this video. So ChatGPT has generated prompts for the images, so we don't need to worry about that. I will type that we need prompts for 3D lifelike realistic images. ChatGPT has already provided us with the prompts, so we are good to go. We will head to Leonardo.ai for image generation. By clicking on the image generation option, we will copy the first prompt, paste it here and click on the generate button. Once the first image is ready, we will download it. We will repeat this process for the next image by copying and pasting the second prompt, and here we will choose photoreal option to ensure that our images are generating in a 3D lifelike manner. We will upscale them and download them. We will continue this process by copying and pasting on Leonardo.ai, then downloading the images. Next, we will move on to animating our images to add lifelike animations to our video. We will visit the Pika website where we will click on image to video and upload the image we want to animate for our video. Here we can also write prompt if needed, similar to the ones generated by ChatGPT. After clicking, our animation will be ready. We will upscale this animation and download it. Similarly, for the next image, we will upload it and utilize different options available such as modification and canvas expansion. We will continue refining our animation using these options. Additionally, we will set the FPS 24GS to 15 and motion value to 3. I have extensively explained these values in my previous videos detailing how to determine the appropriate values for different animations. If you want a detailed understanding of these values, you can watch my earlier videos on my channel where I explain them thoroughly. And here we will have the options to maintain consistency, choose the speed, or have different camera controls. We can enhance our animation by selecting options like zooming in or zooming out. This way, we will prepare and download our animation by defining them to our liking. This process ensures that all our animations are ready for use. Once all our animations are ready, we will head to CapCut for editing. Here we will add the animation we have prepared and upload the music we have generated earlier. After uploading the music, we will adjust our clips to synchronize with the music. We can also add effects to enhance the video, set the transition between clips, and add different text styles to name our music video. Now let's see how our music video turned out.
In the moonlit night, dreams take flight, a canvas of stars, our guiding light, whispers of hope in the gentle breeze, chasing aspirations through the tranquil unfold like petals in the dawn, a serene melody in the quiet yawn. Chill vibes embrace as we unwind in the dance of dreams. Our spirits bind on the road less traveled. We find our way, visions of tomorrow. In the calm of today, mountains to climb and skies to explore. In the serenity of dreams, we ask for more. A hammock of wishes swaying slow underneath the stars' soft glow. Aspirations bloom in the midnight air. Chill and relax, we have no despair. Dreams unfold like petals in the dawn, a serene melody in the quiet yawn. Chill vibes embrace as we unwind in the dance of dreams. Our spirits bind in the lullaby of night. Aspirations sigh, chill and relax under the open sky. For in our dreams we truly find a tranquil haven for the heart and mind.
Amazing. Our music video has been professionally crafted with the help of AI in just few minutes. Additionally, I will remind viewers to subscribe to my channel. I will express gratitude for their support and encourage them to leave comments suggesting tutorial topics they would like me to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching.